Hello, my name is Sneer Rozenfeld and I'm the CEO of Cyber 2.0. Today I'm going to speak with you about our unique Vortex gateway. Vortex gateway is our solution that we use to secure IoT and OT networks such as SCADA networks. The gateway can come in various forms. It can be something like this, for example, or it can be very, very small, something like this. For example, if you look at it and you will see my mouse, then you will see that they are similar in sizes. It can also be something bigger. It can be something like this, but very important to say that the Vortex gateway can come in various forms, but it's important that it will have two network cards in order for us to apply it to the IoT or OT networks. We are usually putting it in front of the connectors, and it enables us basically to give the defense we want. Let's speak a little bit about the OT environment and see exactly what we are doing. So when we look at the OT environment, we see that we have a problem in the OT environment because, well, the OT environment is very hard to protect because you cannot install the software over the connectors. I cannot install the Cyber 2.0 agent on a water pump. I cannot install it on a camera, on a scanner, on a printer, on whatever. So we are using the gateway, and basically what we are doing is we're putting the gateway in front of the controller. And when we put the gateway in front of the controller, it enables us to do the following thing. We are able to control all the communication that is going through the controller, enabling us to allow or descramble and drop the lateral or unwanted connections. For example, when we look at this like this, then we know if somebody will come to the organization with a laptop and they will try to connect to the controller, if they are not authorized, they will never reach the controller because we will always be scrambling the illegitimate traffic, will be scrambled to various ports, and they will never be able to reach the controller. For any more information, you can feel free to join our website and see more information about the OT. Thank you.